Said you want someone. Say you want someone. I think I got mixed personalities. This bitch switched up my whole mentality. This girl, she got mixed personalities. One day she's happy, then she mad at me. Say you want someone that'll love you.
What it do? Take the top gang. Welcome to the gang. If you ain't, you cannot hang. Do your own thing, ayy. Ooh, bars! Now, what it do? Take the top gang. Welcome back to the channel. You new here, like, comment, subscribe, get the video thumbs up. You gonna love it here. Stay tuned. Alright, so today's video is going to be a story time. You know, I haven't done a story time in a minute, and I have stories. Obviously, you see the title. This is a story time about how I ran away, why I ran away, and I ran away. It all started when we moved. That's one thing, like, about us. We're always moving, like, bro. We moved, basically, like, kind of outside of town, not that far. About 20 minutes, we moved to, like, a small, ugly, old town, dusty, country, rusty. It was a smaller town, you know, I guess it was suitable for us. I still went to the same school and stuff, so no problem with that. It was my first time. I think I was just coming back. This was like about 2 years ago, so what, I was 16? I was just coming back. I think I was just moving back or something like that. When I seen the apartment, I did not like it. Technically, I didn't even call it an apartment because it was, y'all, it was so ghetto. It was called the school because it was a school that now made into apartments. So I really didn't like the apartment, so I was complaining about the apartment. I really don't know how the argument, escalated, but it escalated to where my phone was taken. You know, that triggered me because how you taking my phone, and I paid for my phone because I had a job and I paid for my own phone, so you can't take my phone, so give me my phone. I ain't gonna lie, I had a temper problem back then, probably still do, you know, I was a little selfish, I ain't gonna lie. Whew. It was a tassel to get my phone. I ain't gonna say like too many details because some of it is like personal and it shouldn't be out there. So they took my phone and I got mad. And when I got mad, I tried to get my phone back and they would not give me my phone back. So as me trying to take the phone, it was a tassel. So after the tassel, my phone ended up getting took because team up on one. I ain't gonna say nothing, I ain't gonna say too much. After my phone was taken, I got really angry. When I say I got mad, I started throwing stuff. Like, we were just moving in, so like she was setting up the kitchen first or whatever. I started throwing stuff, like I started breaking new stuff. Like I didn't even care because now I'm mad because I can't even tell y'all what happened, but some stuff happened and now I'm mad. Like now I'm about to get irritated and then you don't give me my phone. I'm gonna put a fight for my phone. I was sitting there texting my friends. I got mad and I wanted to leave, so I ended up texting my auntie to come get me. Nigga ain't come get me anyway. So I guess that what triggered me to get my phone took because I was texting people that I didn't even be texting and telling people business. And after I threw the stuff off the counter, I kind of got like, I don't know, I was pissed the fuck off. Next thing I know, I was running out the door. When I said it was raining so hard, oh my god, it was raining hard than a bitch. Like, I thought about turning around, but my adrenaline was so pumped, I didn't even care. Like, I was ready to go. I was ready to out that apartment. It was an ugly ass place, I'm sorry. Mind you, I'm in a new town, I'm fresh to this town, I really don't know nobody yet, I haven't met people, I haven't even been around the town yet, this is my first day here. So when I ran out, I really didn't have a plan to go. Like all I knew is I'm about to walk to where I gotta go, and it's just that. So as I'm walking, I actually ran because they ended up chasing me. My stepdad ended up chasing me. He didn't catch me. When I started running, I ran through like the trees. I was trying to duck them off. I ran through the trees and stuff. Next thing you know, I was running around the building because I had to take a loop to get back where I wanted to go. And then I guess they got in the car or whatever. Oh, I ended up taking my mom's phone and I broke it. Yeah. So I was walking, didn't know where I was going. Literally just running through people's yard. They was looking at me crazy. It's raining. Like, first of all, little girl, why you outside? Like, I had a jacket on and everything. I mean, I was prepared. As I'm walking down, I'm walking in circles at this point and I end up seeing them. So when I seen them, I ducked off. But when I ducked off and where I ran to, I was like, oh, I know this road. And it was like a train track. I remember the train track. So I just started following down the train track. Mind you, it's like a bunch of fucking trees. It's getting dark as fuck. It was like 7-ish. So, you know, that's when the sun, like, start dying down. I'm walking along the train track and I see them cross over the bridge. I duck off from the tree. I was like doing so much hiding. Like I was getting lost when I was hiding. Like, I'm scared for my life because now it's dark. The sun is going down. So it was a train on the track. You know how it be them old trains? That's what it was. So I ended up having to jump through the train. And as I motherfucking jumped through it, after I jumped off of it and I ran, I didn't realize it was a motherfucking whole pond of water. I fell in it. I was muddy. Now I really look like a homeless hobo. Finally got onto the main highway part that I was supposed to be on. I was just walking. I'm pretty sure they was headed to my hometown because that's the way you're supposed to go. And they didn't see me, so they probably thought I was walking down the road. I wasn't even there yet, little did they know. And I was walking for a good minute. I walked about 15, 20 minutes. Ain't gonna lie, it felt like forever because I'm walking down a straight road. Literally, it's a straight shot to get where I'm going. So once I got on that highway, I knew where to go. As I'm walking down, like I hit this car lot. And like once you hit that car lot, you know, that was far to me. Far as walking, I was walking. And a big ass 18-wheeler pulled up in front of me. And I'm like, I ain't have my thumb out. So, what are you stopping for? I ended up walking past the 18-wheeler and he honked his horn. And I'm like, bro, no, I'm not getting this truck. Like, I'm gonna keep walking, I didn't plan to hitchhike. I planned to walk my whole journey. So, I kept walking. He honked his horn twice. So now I'm like, fuck, he honking for me. So I end up walking back. Fuck it, YALLLL. I open the door. And he like, do you need a lift? He was an old Hispanic man, looked like he about in his 50s. You know, me thinking in my head, I'm thinking like, how I'm about to clap his shit. I'm gonna smack him up if he try to do something, you know. I'm not assuming like he was gonna do anything, but bitch, you never know these days. Like, people be tripping. I end up getting a truck. I'm looking at all options, how to get out, where to hit him at, blah, blah, blah. He started having small talk. He was asking my name. Bitch, I gave him a fake ass name, Brittany. Like, he started asking where I was going and stuff. And he was like, oh, I'm headed that way. I was like, okay, that's great. Let's go. Let's do it. Well, he driving. He ended up getting on the phone. He was just talking to me. I was ready to get out the truck, y'all. I ain't gonna lie. I was ready to jump out that bitch. Next thing you know, bitch, I was hitchhiking. Like, I couldn't believe I actually got in the truck with this man that I don't know. That's like the #1 rule, don't talk to strangers. So, as we almost about to enter the town or whatever, he asked me what street did I need to go on. But knowing it's an 18-wheeler, so he said he'll be able to drop me off on the feeder. I kind of didn't know the closest, like, at this time, I didn't know my streets. Like, I didn't know nothing. I was fucking clueless. He dropped me off by this McDonald's. Like, I told him to, like, when I started seeing where I was, I just told him to keep straight and stop me at the McDonald's because he couldn't do turns, and I didn't want to walk too far. So I ended up going, was expecting to go to my granny house, but that's where I ended up going. And he dropped me off at McDonald's. And he was like, have a blessed night, blah, blah, blah. And I'm like, thank you. That was a successful trip. It was. There was no harm, nothing done. It was, God was with me on my dumbass decision. At this time, it's dark. It was a straight shot. So I'm walking, it's dark. It's like a bunch of houses. All you hear is dog barking, and you see like people walking. And I'm just like, oh, fuck. So as I'm walking, bro, these group of men like walk by me. I'm like paranoid. And I'm just like, bro, please don't talk to me, bitch. Hey, how you doing? Good. You want to smoke? No. I heard him turn around. Like, he was trying to hold a conversation with him and his friend was. It was like four of them, 4 or 5 of them. But I ended up walking away. I was like, Like, and once I hit that, I had hit like this part by the stove. I was like, ooh. After that, y'all, I ran the rest of the way. Swear to God, I ran. I'm here now. I'm in my granny house. I'm finally there. It was late because the way she got up, she was like, what you doing here? It's like, I'm just like, yeah, I walked. I told her what happened, blah, 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 you know, that was it. I was MIA for about a day. Next thing you know, I'm on my granny phone on my Snapchat or whatever. My friend, she blowing me up. She like, bro, like, send me a number to call you. Like, what you doing? Where you at? Like, oh my God. So she called me and she was like, your mama worried about you and da da da. And I'm like, what? Like, I'm fine. She was like, where you at? And she was crying on the phone. I'm like, what are you crying for? Like, what? I am good. Like, she ended up like, you need to call your mama. I was like, I was gonna call her. I just don't know when I was gonna call her. So I ended up calling my mama after I got done talking to her. And she was just like, crying too. I'm sorry, y'all, but quote. She was like, where you at? Blah, blah, blah. I filed a missing report. First of all, I only been missing for a day. I was not missing for 48 hours, so stop lying. At this point, I was still mad. Ain't gonna lie, because, y'all, I can't tell y'all everything that happened, but everything that happened, it wasn't even just about the phone. So, at this point, I'm just like, fuck it. Like, bring my stuff, bring my clothes. I'm ready. I don't even want to come back. I don't even want to stay there. My girl was like, yeah, you can stay here, blah, blah, blah. It was like the end of the school year. I think we had like 2 days left, so I did it at the right time. And after that, she brought me all my clothes, and I stayed at my granny house the whole summer. I ended up going back, because, you know, I didn't want to have grudges, but I ended up going back. And that's basically the story time that I ran away, supposedly. But yeah, don't do it, kids, because I feel like I got really lucky with that hitchhike. I didn't even intend to hitchhike, but I mean, hey, it's what it is, you know? Yeah, that's the story time I ran away. I hope you enjoyed that video. Make sure you give me a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe. Anyways, see you on the